okay, we were out here one day and he was doing this and he was bringing her right at me and he's like, well, get out of the way. I'm like, you're running her directly at me. She got a longer neck then.
Mm-hmm.
Twice as big or 3 times as big as me.
Look at how light she is.
She's close. Look out.
Look out, Ryan.
Get your teeth knocked out.
Ooh, that naughty little buck and Bracco there.
I love that big one over there. Uh-huh.
All excited about something.